Caribbean people. We stir it and we blend it to we flavor. We shake it and we move it to we beat. We wheel it and we turn it and we rock it and we tempo it. And Lord, the rhythm sweet. That's what rhythm. Auntie Rochi said, she don't know why them say that what is the corruption of the English language. But yet still, English derived from the Norman, French, Greek, and Latin. We derive though, because we derive from African, English, Spanish, Portuguese, French. Not true. Not true. Back to our rhythm. Say, we derive. We derive. We derive. Yeah, man. Hey, that's why evocative enough. That's why it's descriptive. It just hits you right in your eye. Because when a prickle stick you, it don't sound so good as when we say, Maka jock me. And when we do a somersault, we say we can't poop on it. But for rhythm, English says bad, worse, worse. We say bad, bad, worse, what's up? And when what's up, what's it was a rock. Hey, but for rhythm, nyam. Nyam is not the corruption of the English language. Nyam is the African word for to eat. When you hear what I say? Yeah, man. If you're bad, you are bugu yaga. If you're nice, you are bonononos, 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 bonononos. Yeah, man. Hot to already. Lord, like hard. Miss Lou, remember Dutty Tough? Sun a shine, but things not bright. The pot a boil, likkle no enough. River flood, but water scarce, y'all. Rain a fall, but Dutty Tough. Things about that. Nowadays when you ask somebody how them do, then when you take it and tell them that so they don't answer you. Not care how much we don't work for. Hard times still in our short. We have fight hard times to beat with. Then raise we wages, but $1 gone and we wage. We don't feel no merriment. $10 gone and we food and plenty. And we rent. Saltfish gone up, mackerel gone up, beef and pork gone up same way. And when rice and butter ready, then go on holiday. Clock food pin and eagle gone up. Glass, bread taxes, water rate, kerosene oil, gasoline gone up and the dollar. Hit the value weight. Hey, the price of bread gone up so high that we have to agree. Because we icon bread and all turn dumpling refugee. And all them mother smarty way are going like fat is sin. And all them that gotta pass with me, I left them to dumpling. Sun and shine, but it's not bright. The pot of wine, it could not enough. River flood, but water scarce, y'all. Rain a fall, but Dutty